Hi, Granny here. Today we're going to make a loaf of bread in a bread maker. First of all, it's just basic ingredients. The only thing you probably wouldn't have in the house would be the yeast. And you get just the active dry yeast, not the self-rising or quick rising. Okay, now I need 3 cups of flour, which I'm going to put in there. Okay, here's one. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. You can't skip the salt because the texture would not be the same. And let's see, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, I guess I already have that measured out. Okay, and then I'm going to make kind of a well in here. Then I'm going to add water. And the water for the yeast to activate has to be warm. And I also have a 1/4 cup of oil. So I got to get the water kind of like room temperature, not too hot, not too cold. That feels about right. No. Oh, maybe just a little tiny bit more. That's good. I'm going to pour that in here. And then I'm going to add the yeast. And the 1/4 cup of oil. And that's all that goes in there. You see here it says 3 hours. It's for the basic. And then I don't know what color I'm going to want. I'm going to put light. And then hit start. And then it's going to, I don't know if you can see inside there, it's going to start mixing it up. Of course, this is going to take 3 hours, and it is 11:45 noon, so it'll be 2:45. We'll have a loaf of bread. I'll see you back then. The 3 hours is up, and the loaf is ready. This doesn't make a great big giant loaf, but just the right size. I'm going to get it out of here. Ooh, I had it on the lower setting, so it's a little bit darker on the bottom sides, but the top is light. And then I take a stick of butter and butter it. That kind of softens the crust a little bit. There we go. Oh, that smelled so good when it was baking. We're going to leave it cool a little bit, and let's see. I could probably cut a slice so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to cut off a few pieces. I like it when it's warm. Now for the taste test. Nothing like homemade bread. I suppose I should give you the recipe. It's 2 cups of flour. No, maybe it's 3 cups of flour. You put that in your bread maker, and then you add the teaspoon of salt and the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then a cup of kind of lukewarm water, so that will activate the yeast. You pour that on the flour, the sugar, and the salt in the bread maker, and then you kind of make a well, and then well, you can pour your 4th cup of oil in there too, and then the package of yeast, just regular yeast, and that's all there is to it. Until next time, bye.